Okay, good morning. Let's quickly have a look at this dome cameras. I think it's just for interest sake. You see them everywhere. This is small dome cameras. This has an aluminium casting, a very sturdy one. Okay, then there's a lens. Normally, a camera lenses is made from crystal because it cuts off normal glass, cuts off infrared. You'll see here's infrared LEDs. This is what lights up at night. And you can see, but then otherwise it won't be able to, the ultra IR won't go through. So, and there you see is a little rubber by the lens, and that touches against here so that the infrared of the LEDs doesn't ricochet back into the camera lens, so it closes that thing there when you close it. Okay, now let's open this little cover to cover up all the insides. Already took it apart, but this is also very interesting. I also had it before. Inside at night, there's a different lens. This is the lens in front of it, comes here in the back. You'll see here's a small coil. You can see here how this thing actually works. It goes, the coil pulls in and then it moves this lens with a filter in front of the lens. At night you can see better, otherwise you won't be able to see. So it's very interesting how this optics work of a camera, the little coil. And then you can take this module off. Here's the cover. There's electronics where the lens, the camera at the pickup actually is. We can also maybe take this thing apart and see what is going on here. You can take the screw out here. You can see here's the pickup of the lens. This is what the image sensor, this is what picks up the image. Very, 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 very nice. And then here's your lens, a piece of aluminium cover, and here's your actually lens. So the lens sits in front of here, it focuses on that little pickup there, and this is how it makes you pick up the image. Very, very sensitive device. Okay, here you can see the lens. You can see it turns inside here. It's got screw thread here. Now how they do, when they in the factory, when they line up this thing, they somehow the image and then they screw it out for the lens to focus exactly. You see how they, and this is where how they focus the image was by turning this thing, and then they just glue it there. Very interesting. And you can see in the bottom of the PCB, there's more electronics, chips and processors. It's no matter if you pay money for it, you know what you pay for, all the designs and all the electronics. You can imagine how many technologies in this little camera. And then there's your infrared LED PCB, sits in the back here. Let me just quickly unscrew this, and then you can, we almost stripped the whole thing this morning, and then you can see how it looks inside. So there's your LEDs. There sits on a PCB, all the infrared LEDs inside here. Put that aside. Then inside here, look at the small type of connector. You can imagine it's so thick and small. Thin wires that connects the PCBs. And there's some desiccant. They put some desiccant in here for the water damp to pick up. If there's water damp in the area of inside, it will go, you suck it up. Little stuff. And see this thing, this is how you move it, and you can move it for the angle you want. Piece of cast iron. See, there's your rest of your electronics from the outside. The cable goes in there, and there's a memory place for a memory card that you can capture the images for a while, up to a certain time. And then there's a small battery. This is the lithium of this is to keep the timing of your device. You can see this capacitor. Maybe this was wrong. The capacitor is like bulge in top. It was already busy going out. And here's a little string. If you work on it in the roof, and then this is connected to this dome, and then it won't fall off. So this is how this cameras looks inside. Very interesting. So if it's not working, you can maybe use it as a dummy, put it there, and then it looks like if there's a camera, I could put a light inside there or something. Interesting. It's a very nicely built device. Okay, this is how a camera, a little dome camera, looks inside. This is very interesting. This filter that goes up and down, small mechanical thing, and this, I say, this is what's all about. This is the device, the component that picks up the sensor, or your image. Technology. Here's a serial number and maybe the IP address or something. If you buy it, you get I think the IP. There's your Hikvision and 12 volt. Your MAC address. There's a MAC address that you started with before you can address the IP. Okay. Very small PCB. Okay, that was interesting. Now you also know how a dome camera looks inside. Hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, cheers.